Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can download the Signal Messenger app on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open Play Store and on your device, go to the search bar, and then what you need to do is search for the Signal Message app. So you can see the Signal Private Messenger by Signal Foundation. Go ahead and click on it and then click Install. After you click on Install, the Signal Private Messenger will be downloaded and will be installed instantly. So to learn more about this app, just go ahead and click on About this app, and you can see that Signal is a messaging app with privacy at its core. It is free and easy to use with strong end-to-end encryption that keeps your communication completely private. You can send texts, voice messages, photos, videos, stickers, GIFs, and files for free. Signal uses your phone data connection, so you avoid SMS and MMS fees. You can call your friends anytime you want with the simple help of internet and your mobile data. So you can install Signal Messenger and you can get the private messaging services on your fingertips. I hope this video about how you can download and install the Signal Messenger app on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.